Hey there, everyone! I'm Bree! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something mind-blowing, how I used AI to write, edit, and produce this entire video. Yep, you heard that right. From the script you're hearing right now to the visuals you're watching, AI did it all. Well, almost. I'm about to show you just how much of the heavy lifting AI can do, and spoiler alert, it's a game changer. Now here's the thing. Working for myself means I wear all the hats. Writer, editor, producer, gift designer, you name it, I do it. And while I love what I do, it's no secret that time is precious. It doesn't matter if you have a full-time job, a family to care for, a business to run, or even if you're a crafter or gift designer, your time is probably already spoken for too. That's where AI comes in. Imagine just saying what you want to create and letting the AI do the rest. Script writing, video editing, and even production. You know, I've been creating content for years and I've seen a lot of changes in the industry. But this is something else entirely. I used AI to write a YouTube script. Yeah, you heard that right. Artificial intelligence. It's like having a co-writer who never sleeps, never gets tired, and can generate ideas at the speed of light. We're talking about AI tools like ChatGPT that can whip up a script faster than I can chug a coffee. Crazy, right? Imagine sitting down with a cup of coffee, and by the time you take your first sip, the script is already done. These tools are not just fast, they're also incredibly smart. They can understand context, tone, and even humor. It's like having a super intelligent assistant who knows exactly what you need. This whole thing has me thinking about the future of content creation. What does it mean for creators like me? Will we become obsolete, or will we evolve alongside this technology? Is AI going to steal my job? That's a question a lot of people are asking. But I don't think so. I think it's more about collaboration. AI can handle the grunt work, freeing us up to focus on the creative aspects. But it can definitely make my life easier. Imagine having more time to brainstorm, to shoot, to edit. The possibilities are endless. It's like having an extra pair of hands, or even better, an extra brain. And that's what I want to share with you guys today. The potential of AI in content creation is huge, and we're just scratching the surface. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the world of AI script writing. But before we dive in, let's take a moment to appreciate how far we've come. From the early days of YouTube, where everything was raw and unfiltered, to now, where we have tools that can help us create polished, professional content in no time. It's been an incredible journey, and I feel lucky to be a part of it. But with new tools come new challenges. How do we maintain our authenticity? How do we ensure that our content still feels personal and genuine, even when it's partially created by a machine? These are questions we need to ask ourselves as we move forward. But I believe that with the right balance, we can use AI to enhance our creativity, not replace it. It's all about finding that sweet spot where technology and human creativity intersect. So let's embrace this new era of content creation. Let's experiment, let's innovate, and let's see where this journey takes us. Because at the end of the day, it's not about the tools we use, but how we use them to tell our stories. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, and I can't wait to see what we create together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's make some magic happen! We all know the struggle, right? The constant pressure of deadlines, the never-ending to-do lists, and the feeling that there just aren't enough hours in the day. It's a universal experience whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative. The stress of trying to juggle multiple tasks can be overwhelming. Life gets busy, deadlines loom, and finding time to write a script feels impossible. You sit down with the best intentions, but the clock keeps ticking, and the words just don't come. The pressure mounts as the deadline approaches, and the frustration builds. It's a scenario we've all faced at some point. That's where AI steps in like a boss. Imagine having a personal assistant that's available 24/7, ready to help you tackle your writing tasks. AI technology has advanced to the point where it can understand your needs and deliver exactly what you're looking for. It's like having a writing partner who never sleeps. Imagine this. You feed an AI tool a few keywords, maybe a brief outline, and boom, the AI takes those inputs and starts generating content. It's not just about spitting out random words, it's about creating coherent, engaging, and relevant text that meets your specific requirements. The AI understands context, tone, and style, making the output surprisingly human-like. It spits out a fully fledged script in minutes. What used to take hours or even days can now be accomplished in a fraction of the time. The efficiency is mind-blowing. You can review the generated content, make any necessary tweaks, and you're good to go. It's like having a superpower at your fingertips. No more staring at a blank page, no more pulling all-nighters. The creative block that once seemed insurmountable is now a thing of the past. With AI, you can overcome those hurdles and get back to what you love doing. It's a game changer for anyone who struggles with writer's block or time constraints. AI takes the pressure off, freeing up your time to focus on other aspects of video creation. Whether it's editing, filming, or brainstorming new ideas, you can allocate your time more effectively. The collaborative process becomes smoother, and the overall quality of your work improves. It's a win-win situation. And trust me, as someone who's always on the go, that kind of time-saving magic is priceless. Being able to rely on AI to handle the heavy lifting means you can stay productive no matter where you are. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or just trying to balance a busy schedule, AI has your back. It's like having a secret weapon in your productivity arsenal. Okay, so I had to see this AI script writing thing for myself. I mean, everyone's been talking about it, right? The idea that a machine could write scripts, stories, or even entire books was just too fascinating to ignore. I had to dive in and see what all the fuss was about. I was skeptical, I'll admit it. I mean, how could a bunch of algorithms and code possibly understand the nuances of human creativity? Could it really grasp the subtleties of humor, the depth of emotion, or the intricacies of storytelling? These were the questions swirling in my mind. Could AI really capture my voice, my style, the energy that makes my videos, well, mine? I've spent years honing my craft, developing a unique voice that resonates with my audience. The thought that a machine could replicate that was both intriguing and a bit unsettling. I decided to put it to the test. I wanted to see if this AI could really deliver. So I gathered a bunch of my previous video titles, the ones that really captured the essence of my channel. I also threw in some key themes I wanted to explore, topics that I felt passionate about, and that I knew my audience would love. I fed ChatGPT a bunch of my previous video titles, threw in some key themes I wanted to explore, and hit enter. It was a moment of truth. Would the AI understand what I was looking for? Would it be able to generate something that felt authentic and true to my style? The anticipation was real, guys. I sat there, staring at the screen, my heart racing a bit. It felt like waiting for the results of an important test. Would the AI pass with flying colors, or would it fall flat on its digital face? I waited with bated breath as the AI worked its magic. The loading screen seemed to take forever, each second stretching out like an eternity. My mind was racing with possibilities, imagining all the different ways this could go. And you know what? The result was pretty impressive. The AI had managed to capture the essence of my style, the tone of my voice, and the energy that makes my videos unique. It wasn't perfect, but it was a solid start. It was like seeing a rough draft of something that had real potential. I could see the framework, the bones of a good script, and with a bit of tweaking, it could really shine. I started making some adjustments, adding my personal touch here and there. It was like collaborating with a co-writer who had a good grasp of my style but needed a bit of guidance. The process was surprisingly smooth, and I found myself getting excited about the possibilities. By the end of it, I had a script that felt like it was truly mine. It was a blend of human creativity and artificial intelligence, a partnership that brought out the best of both worlds. This experiment opened my eyes to the potential of AI in the creative process. It's not about replacing human creativity, but enhancing it, providing new tools and perspectives that can take our work to the next level. I shared the script with a few friends, and they were just as impressed. They couldn't believe that an AI had played such a big role in creating it. It sparked some interesting conversations about the future of content creation and the role of technology in our creative endeavors. This experiment has inspired me to keep exploring the possibilities of AI in my work. There's so much potential here, and I can't wait to see where it takes me next. So, stay tuned, because this is just the beginning of my AI scriptwriting journey. Who knows what amazing content we'll create together? The AI-generated script wasn't perfect, but it was a solid first draft. It had structure, it had flow, and it even managed to capture some of my signature humor. Sure, there were some clunky sentences and a few too many cliches, but hey, even I don't hit a home run every time. The important thing was, the AI gave me a foundation to build on. It saved me hours of brainstorming and outlining, and that's huge. Section 5. My personal touch. Now, just because I used AI to help with the script doesn't mean I just slapped it on the screen and called it a day. I went through the entire thing, line by line, adding my own thoughts, experiences, and that raw, unfiltered Brie energy. I tweaked sentences, rearranged paragraphs, and threw in some of my signature jump cuts, just for good measure. The AI might have given me the bones, but I brought the script to life. Section 6, AI co-writer, not replacement. Here's the thing about AI and content creation. It's not about replacing human creativity, it's about enhancing it. AI tools like ChatGPT are like co-writers, collaborators that can help us streamline the process and unlock new levels of productivity. They can't replicate the human touch, the emotions, the unique perspectives that make our content special. That's where we come in. Section 7. The future of content creation. This whole AI thing has got me thinking, guys. What does the future hold for content creators? Will we all have AI assistants helping us write scripts, edit videos, and brainstorm ideas? It's an exciting time to be a creator, that's for sure. And I, for one, am all for embracing the tools that can help us push the boundaries of storytelling. Section 8. Try it out. So, what are you waiting for? If you're a content creator, or even if you're just curious about AI, I encourage you to give these tools a try. You might be surprised at what you can achieve. Experiment, have fun, and don't be afraid to share your creations with the world. Section 9. What's your AI experience? Now I want to hear from you guys. Have you ever used AI for content creation? What are your thoughts on this whole thing? Let me know in the comments below.